You start engaging, it will go engaging. So I'm just doing engaging the implant. Usually in the pterygoid region, that's between the medial and the lateral pterygoid, you get a good cortical bone. So usually you will get good stability. You can place double pterygoid, it will be well and good on both the sides along with all other implants in the anterior. So this is the technique of placing the pterygoid implants. Anyway, the pterygoid implant placement is a blind technique. Nobody knows where exactly is that pterygopalatine fossa where you are going to engage the implant between the median and the lateral pterygoid. You have to drill for some distance and then feel for the bone, tactile sensation, and then go a little deeper, 2 to 3 mm. Again, you just check for the bone, available bone. Again, you drill. In that way, it's like a blind technique. Placement of pterygoid implant is a blind technique. So I've placed it now. So it's angulated. Can you see? I placed one. So that is in the same way. It's on the right side also on the tuberosity. Starting from the tuberosity, you can place another one. If you can place double pterygoid on both the sides, it should be well and good. Okay.